Hi, I'm Valerie with At My Home, and today I'm really excited because we've got a new Pampered Chef ice cream maker. So let's check it out. Here it is in the box, and it comes with instructions right here, right on top. Here's the lid, right here. This is the little paddle that makes the magic happen. This is the base. So that's it. This is the base. It doesn't have any plug or anything here in the base, because what you do is that you freeze this. You put this in the freezer and that gets it nice and cold so you can make your ice cream. The other thing that it comes with separately packaged is a lid. And this is a nice little lid so that when you've got ice cream in it and you have some leftovers, ha ha ha, you can cover your ice cream maker with this lid. It's a nice silicone lid that fits right over it. And then you can put it back in the freezer so you can eat it later. All right, so this ice cream maker is really easy to use. So you take the lid, you put the paddle in, and just stick it right in here. So get it on there. And you put it inside this thing right here. It's got a place where it kind of snaps into place on either side, and then you can lock it up. Then you turn it on and spin your ice cream. I'm going to freeze this base and come back and show you how easy it is to make the ice cream. Okay, let's see how easy it is to make ice cream in the Pampered Chef ice cream maker. So I'm just going to use the basic vanilla ice cream recipe that comes right with the ice cream maker in this little book. But they also have a lot of other recipes online if you want to check them out. So I've got all my ingredients here. So what I need to do is I need to just mix all of these things up together in this bowl. And then I need to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes so it can cool down. Let's get started. All right. So this is 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. All right. Okay, and here's my milk and the sugar and just 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Right. Now I just got to whisk this for about a minute so I get everything combined. And it's important to whisk it just so you get the sugar dissolved. So I want to make sure that it's all dissolved in there. And I don't know if you noticed, but I have some of my other Pampered Chef tools I'm using. This is my dry and liquid measuring cup. You can use both sides. And this is my little measuring spoon. It's as neat because you can change it to exactly what you want it to be. And this is my Pampered Chef bowl. I really like this stainless steel bowl because the bottom has got a nice rubber mat, which makes it, really solid on the counter. It doesn't move. And because it's stainless steel, it's going to keep everything nice and cold. And it has a lid. All right, so this is feeling pretty good. I think I've got all the sugar dissolved. So then go ahead, put the lid on, and I'll put it in the fridge. Okay, so I've got my mix in the fridge, and I got to leave it in there for about 30 minutes so it can cool down, and then we'll come back and make some ice cream. Okay, I've got my frozen bowl. This is the base of the ice cream maker. It's all nice and frozen. And I'm going to go ahead and pour my mix into it, and then we'll get it going. Right. So this is my chilled mix that I made with the recipe. Looks really good. Just pour it on in here. Okay. Now all we have to do is I've got the lid over here. I just put the paddle inside like that. Just sticks right in here. Right? It doesn't have to click or anything. So it's just going to get going. And then I put it on. And there's a little notch here where you put it on. It locks into place. I've got it plugged in. Okay, so first I got to power it on. And then I'm going to set the timer. So in the instructions, it says to start with about 20 minutes. I've done this before and I found it took 25. So I'm going to go ahead and check it for 25 minutes. So what I'd suggest you do is after 20 minutes, check the consistency and see how you like it and decide if it needs a little bit more time. Right, so got it for 25 minutes. And there it goes. All right, so the ice cream is almost done. It's looking pretty good in there. It's getting close to the end, and when it gets ready to finish, it'll flash, and then it will stop itself. So we've got, looks like about 30 seconds left. Okay, it's done. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Whoop. All right, so there's the lid. And it's nice and thick. This is actually pretty thick. Show you what it looks like. So right now it's like a soft serve consistency, and it looks pretty good. And if you like it this way, this soft, you can go ahead and eat it just like this. Let me give it a taste. Ooh, that's really good. But we typically like to have it a little harder than that. Okay, so I put the lid on the bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in the freezer. Within 2 to 4 hours, it'll be nice and scoopable and ready to eat. So thank you for watching our video today. We hope you enjoyed learning how to use the Pampered Chef ice cream maker. Okay, so if you want to get one of these Pampered Chef ice cream makers for yourself, we've got a great Pampered Chef consultant, Jen Marie Pelfini of Jen Marie Cuisine. So you can go to her YouTube channel and check out all of her great videos and recipes with other cooking ideas, and we'll include the link in the description. Thank you.